Are you struggling to track your CA final preparations, revisions effectively? If yes, that's exactly why I built this smart Excel-based study tracker. So, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is CA Decoded and I am CA Lakshmi. So, today I am here with a fully automated CA final study tracker with a dashboard, revision tracking and progress analytics all in one place. So now, let's take a look into this tracker. Let's start from the welcome page. Here you simply have to enter your name. So now I'll enter my name here. After entering your name, now you have to click on the start button. As soon as you click on the start button, you are automatically redirected to the dashboard, and here you can see a personalized message, "Welcome CA," followed by your name. This will act as a motivation, I guess. Now, this dashboard gives you a complete overview of your preparation. At the top, you can track key metrics like study hours, revisions completed. These progress bar update automatically based on your revision status, so you can clearly see how much you have completed in revision 1, revision 2 and revision 3 for each subject. So now when you click on the next, you are redirected to a database sheet. This is the core sheet where you will have to update your entire study progress. This table contains all the chapters across all subjects. To make navigation easier, I have added slicers. This will help you to filter chapters subject-wise. So for example, if I select FR, it displays all the intakes. Similarly, if I select DT, it shows all the direct tax chapters. So all you need to do is to update your progress in this sheet and the system will automatically handle everything else. For each chapter, you need to enter the time taken to complete or revise it. This should be updated every time you revise the chapter. For example, let's say for FR in days 109 took 6 hours in your first revision. You enter 6 in the column and then mark the first revision as completed using the tick mark. When you move to your second revision, update the time again, say 4 hours and mark the second revision column as completed. Similarly, repeat the same process for your third revision. You follow this process for all the chapters across all subjects. So now I'll just randomly update some data in the database sheet. I'll update some, put the tick marks in the columns and update the time taken. I'll do it for FR, DT, IDT, Audit L, just to show you a picture of how the dashboard will look after you have updated the database sheet. You click next, you are taken to the home section. Here you will see subject button like FR, DT, Audit, AFM and IDT. These buttons generates a subject-wise study sheet. For example, if I click on FR, it creates a consolidated view showing all the chapters, time taken and the number of revisions completed. And the best part is everything is connected automatically. As you update your data in the database, the dashboard updates in real time. So you can instantly see total hours like FR taking 8 hours, DT taking 9 hours and your progress bar clearly showing how much you have completed for each subject and each revision. This makes it really easy to track your preparation and stay consistent and focus on what actually matters. So yeah, that's all about this tracker, and trust me, it's way more useful than it might seem at first. It can actually save you a lot of time and help you stay consistent with your preparation. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit a like and subscribe for more such videos. And if this video reaches 200 likes, I'll share the tracker in the description. So make sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Let's decode CA together. Check description for more details.